Hey guys, welcome to another Moto Showcase episode with me, X0. On today's episode, I'll be showcasing the DRZ, the Mag, which I believe you haven't seen for quite a long time already on the channel. So, this bike, I've owned it for really long time already lah. And it hasn't seen any upgrades or changes for quite some time. I recently did the engine overhaul, so engine wise it's all okay, but outlook wise it's pretty in bad shape. Okay lah, it's a normal daily bike. Outlook wise it's not so important, but you can see the background, there is Bobby the Cuda. All the bike seems to have gotten its outlook change and upgrades, but the Mac hasn't seen for quite a long time already. So why not, on this episode, I decide to show you a little change to the outlook of the DRZ. Hope you don't mind the mess and the lighting, because I guess this is the only time where I'm free to be doing anything to do with the bikes. But of course, once I'm done on the daytime, I will show you the outlook and the final look of the bike with this interesting item which I found online. You can see it's actually carbon fiber plastics for the DRZ. Now, if you can see from the title, this is not a actual carbon fiber. I believe this is the hydrodipping water transfer, which I bought from Amazon. But you can see the quality is actually quite good, man. Really very shiny and good quality. You can see all the parts that comes. It comes in a full set. I will show you the link lah on where to get, if it's still available. It comes in the full set lah, the plastics. You can see the side plates and of course the rear. You can see that the weave of the carbon is obviously from hydro dipping, but quality wise I'm surprised. Something from China that has really good quality. Also comes with the front mudguard, which is the long one, which I probably gonna use, because the current one which I have, let me just show you for a bit. Technically I have a carbon front mudguard. This is actual carbon actually, so you can hear the sound from it. But condition wise, it's seen these days. It was with me since I bought the bike. So probably I just remove this and do a new coating of lacquer and do some, make it a better quality. I do prefer the short one though. But in the meantime, why not I just show you the look of the longer mudguard, since it came with the set. So since I got the full set of this imitation carbon for the DRZ, I decided to go get the other pieces also. There's one for the swingarm. You can see this one is held together by cable ties, I believe, and of course frame guards, 2 sets for both sides. I decided to go and get the headlight. You can see this is the normal one, KTM style, and a carbon piece which doesn't actually match with the carbon fiber. I decided to just buy and just take a look at how it looks. You can see the difference of the weave. This one is the sideways one, and this is the normal pixelated one with a different style of lighting. Okay, not forgetting the headlight. You can see the wiring. The wiring is different. Just comes with the small bulb one which you can put, and 3 wires. So I probably have to do some wiring and see how it goes. And since I got the KTM head cover, I decided to get this one, the mounting, which you can get from Etsy. I will show you the link also lah, for this to mount straight up to the DRZ, since if not you have to use the rubber mounting, which is I'll have to see how it goes lah. Then of course I bought some unnecessary things like this brake hose holder also. Since it's quite cheap, it's all these all can get from AliExpress, Amazon and such. Like I said, I will show you the link to all the parts. And like I said, it's currently in the night and quite dark. It's quite a straightforward install for the DRZ. Just unscrew and screw back. So shouldn't be much of an issue. Alright, so that's all the parts. I'm gonna go install. Should be a quick one. Then I'll show you the result. Okay, this is the final look of the carbon plastics, which I got from JFG. Just doing a walk around to show you. Pretty good quality for imitation carbon. Just show you a close-up bit and see. Pretty good. Nice and shiny, man. Not what I expected. But of course, don't mind the tank. Maybe next time can just decal over with a similar type of gloss carbon. Okay, you can see from the back how they use the hydrographic transfer on the plastics itself. That's why the shape a bit weird. Overall, it looks nice, man. The full carbon piece. Of course, this one a little bit off lah. See from front. But never mind, just wanted to buy and see how is the look of it. Not too big a fan of the long one, fender. But you can see, very nice shiny carbon, man. Well, of course it will help with the rain lah, so water won't splash up so much. Let's see, what else? Don't have the key. Later I'll just switch on a bit and show you the lighting. Then of course, let me just show you, got the side carbon piece, don't forget to screw it on. And the rear carbon cover with this nice red hose holder. Looks nice to the bike, man, if it's all done up. I just wanted to do a test and see how it goes. Let's go on this side, show you the left side of the bike. Because this side a bit dark, See, same thing. Got the frame covers, carbon one, and of course swingarm cover. Maybe next time can go get chain cover for this also. Of course, if you have guards like mine, well, you shouldn't have a problem if you don't have this type, the extended axle guards. If you have just the normal screwed in adjuster. But overall, the looks good, man. This imitation carbon from JFG. Okay, let me just switch on the bike. You can see the lighting permits. Let me just you can see there's this turbine looking effect lah. Okay. For this one, I didn't really wire it exactly as the instruction. But this is when I use the low beam. You can see. Then there's this one, the much more brighter white light, and then you off and on again. You can see the different modes of the lighting. So it's pretty good, man. Of course, if you are wondering, hold on, didn't switch off the bike. You can see have the Accesories handguards, which I took from the Kuda. This was the old one. Decided to install the new one, which came with the kit, the Steinboard kick. So I decided to use the old one on the DRZ itself, which looks pretty good, man. Nice big handguards. So that's the look of the JFG Imitation carbon with all the other carbon accessories and of course other stuff as well. Quick Moto showcase of the install. So don't forget to leave a comment on what you think. Probably get one for yourself, man. So that's the end of this episode of Moto Showcase. Hopefully can do more mods on the DRZ, the Mac, and of course other bikes as well. So stay tuned in the Zero Bros channel for more bike mods and accessories also.